guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today's video I'm going to compare a performance exhaust with a stock exhaust. In my previous video I did promise you that I am going to compare this. If you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe, and if you have any questions, make sure that you leave in the comment box and I'll try and see if I could go ahead and reply to those. So let's go ahead and see the comparison between a good performance exhaust to a stock exhaust. Let's go.